In this video, I'm going to show you the main differences between Trade Republic and Interactive Brokers so you can decide which one is better to your style, whether you're a beginner or a more advanced trader. So let's start with the Trade Republic. So Trade Republic is a European-based broker that's super clean and minimal. It's perfect for long-term investors who want to buy stocks, ETFs, and crypto with low fees and zero clutter. Trades cost a flat of €1, and the platform is ideal for people who want to invest passively using automated savings plans. And it's also the mobile first, easy to use, and built with the simplicity in mind. Now let's talk about the interactive brokers or IBKR. So IBKR is one of the most powerful and feature-rich brokers in the world. It's built for active traders, institutions, and serious investors, so you get access to global markets, advanced tools, margin trading options, future bonds, and everything. So the best part, despite all those features, IBKR has also introduced IBKR Lite and global accounts, which offer zero commissions trading for stocks in some regions and super low fees overall. So, what's the real difference in here? So, Trade Republic is designed for simplicity and automation, while Interactive Brokers is designed for flexibility and control. So, whether you're a day trading or managing a multi asset portfolio. So, in terms of use, Trade Republic is the easier for beginners, while the IBKR has a steeper learning curve but far more features. So, in terms of market access, IBKR wins. So, you can trade across 135 plus markets worldwide, while Trade Republic is more limited to European stocks and ETFs only. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.